This is Brother Barnes back again, and I want to show you how to link the startup button on the home page to modules. We've been working on modules. I've got a startup module of policies and then some weekly modules that we're going to fill out as we go along. But let's click on home right now. And notice that when one scrolls down and clicks start here, oops, nothing is there. Well, let's go back. And let's attempt to connect this button to the modules so that the students will be able to guide themselves through the online component. Let's click edit, and maybe we should move this up a little bit. Let's move this up so it's a little bit more obvious, and let's highlight it, and then let's go to links. Okay, good. And let's go to modules. And let's see if we can link this to the startup module by clicking startup module, and then let's hit save. So let's test and see if this works. We are on the home page. This is what the student sees first, and so let's click start here, and bammo, yes, it connects to startup module and not a nothing is connected here symbol. Bueno, bueno, bueno.